Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify custom theme. First, we will explore why a custom theme is crucial for standing out online. You will learn about Shopify's powerful theme architecture and the essential development environment. We'll cover setting up your workspace, including installing necessary tools like a code editor and the Shopify CLI, ensuring you are ready to begin building your unique store experience. Next, let's set up your development environment. Begin by installing the Shopify command line interface, a vital tool for managing your theme. Then, connect your local development folder to a Shopify store, allowing real-time previewing of your changes. You can choose to create a fresh theme from a blank canvas or start with a basic template, providing a solid foundation for your custom design. Now, dive into the core of theme development. You'll primarily work with Liquid, Shopify's templating language, alongside standard web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Focus on creating reusable sections, blocks, and snippets to build a modular and maintainable theme. Remember to rigorously test your design across various screen sizes and browsers to guarantee a flawless user experience for every customer. Finally, it's time to deploy and maintain your custom theme. Once development is complete, upload your theme files directly to your Shopify store. After a final review, publish the theme to make it live for your customers to enjoy. Remember, ongoing maintenance is key. Regularly update your theme for security and performance, ensuring your online store remains fast, secure, and visually appealing for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.